Combining classroom education and real-world experience, the Computer Information Systems program at the Tennessee College of Applied Technology prepares students for a successful career in a fast-paced industry. Students receive the technical training in computer operations necessary to meet the needs of local businesses and industry, including networking and security training and certifications, as well as learning to analyze data processing problems, procedures, software, and more. Job-simulated projects and hands-on campus IT work allow students to hone their skills, so they become proficient in implementing, automating, and improving computer systems with certification exams available as part of the course. Earn your certificate as a PC operator or information processing technician, or earn one of 2 diploma options as a hardware specialist or web developer. Visit us online to learn more at tcatcrump.edu or call us today at 731-632-3393.